Good morning, everyone. I am popping in at this basement project. You know, I've been anxiously waiting the new floors, the new cement floors, the metallic finish. And I'll be honest, I haven't done a Facebook Live here because something happened. And it's not a good thing that happened. So I've been trying to find a way to do a Facebook Live without having lots of curse words in it, because here's what happened. It's the wrong color on the floor. So we went through, I don't know if you remember, but we kind of went through a little process where we had the cement floor, the little divots that were included. My painter just, congratulations! One of my painters just texted me because they just gave birth to their fourth baby. Congratulations, Fatim. Oh, I hope everyone's healthy and happy and rested. Anyway, getting back to this little basement project. So we were filling in the little crevices that look like tile to make it all one smooth thing. So there was curveballs with that in terms of filling and when they went to sand the floor to make it nice and smooth, all the stuff that came when the cracks peeled off, and they had to try multiple products, and they finally figured it out. And then the crews didn't show up till late, and hi Coralie. Coralie, I could just cry. You'll see why. So they worked late. One night they were here till midnight, and the next night they were here till 9, and it's just been one, I'm not going to call it a disaster because it's not a disaster, but it's just been one error after another. And so when I finally found out they laid the metallic coating, I was so excited. You know, when you blow up a balloon and it's nice and full and round, that's how I was feeling. And then when I heard from my clients and saw with my own eyes what was installed, you know when you peel open the spout where you blow in the balloon and the air starts deflating? Kind of what happened. Had a little phone call there. I'm going to show you the floor, and I'm going to preface this by saying the floor is beautiful, but it is not the right color. And I'll show you, I've laid out everything, what we've chosen, what the floor looks like, and then we're going to play a little fun game because I have to have a little fun with this because I don't want to be cranky. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you. So here's the floor. So it's metallic, so it's got these little silver streaks in it, and it is lovely. It is lovely. There are some deficiencies for sure, like there's some things we have to address, like there's multiple spots that look like this, some are larger than others. There were these air bubbles that were definitely not addressed before things got fixed or put on. There's just a lot of shit in here that's going on. So here's what we chose. So we chose the floor first. This is what the floor is supposed to look like. So this is called steel metallic. So we chose this floor because nothing in the house is gray. There's not a stitch of gray in this house. So we chose a warmer floor. Then we chose the cabinet, which is here, all the bar is this. And then we chose the countertop, which is this really nice, it's Caesar stone shiitake, it's really nice and warm. And then we chose this funky backsplash for the bar area and the laundry room area. And then we chose this gorgeous Krypton fabric for the custom curved sectional. And then this area rug. Now this is a print of the area rug, it's not actually the real carpet, so it's the coloring, you can see kind of a reflection here. That's because this is just a piece of paper, but that's the area carpet. So when you put all these things together, it's just warm and cozy. Now this, I'm going to take this out of the mix. So this is what it now looks like together. And while the cabinets and the counters still relate to the carpet and still relates to the backsplash tile, it actually works out really nicely. I'm going to turn the camera over. So the selections we made work nicely with what is on the floor. The crappy thing is, it's not the color we chose. And it is a mistake. And I don't like to point fingers. I don't care whose mistake it is. But now the question is, how do we move forward with this? So I'll be talking with my clients. I've been back and forth with the company who's done this floor. They were looking into see to make sure, because when I did talk to the person, they said, yeah, steel metallic. I'm like, it's steel metallic, but it's not steel metallic on the floor. So Connie, it does look gorgeous, and it works with everything we've picked out. It's just a matter of fact of, are my clients going to accept this floor, or are they going to make them change to the floor we picked? And that's what I'd love for you to comment below. What would you do if this was your house? This project has been delayed, not necessarily in construction timeline, but the family, there's there's 4 bedrooms down here. So their adult kids actually live down here. So they have been put out now for an additional week. If we're gonna have the floors done in the color that we asked them to do, we're looking at another probably 3 days to be disheveled and out of sorts. That means now it does mean it would be a delay in the construction calendar, because it would mean the electricians need to be put back, the cabinet delivery and install would need to be pushed back, my tile setter, who is solidly booked, would need to be pushed back, the install of all the baseboards everyone would have to be pushed back. Small term pain for maybe what they want. The other option is they accept these floors and the deficiencies that are in the floors get fixed. So I would love to know what you would choose. I gotta tell you, I have had my full day of cursing. I told my client I'm doing a Facebook Live finally from their basement, and I might swear, but I'm really trying to channel in the no swearing. I think I've had my fill of that on this project and this floor in particular, it really has been a headache, and it shouldn't have been a headache, but it is. So as my dad hates his saying, but I'm gonna say it. It is what it is. Connie, you missed the first color. I'm gonna show you. So Connie, this is the color we chose. It's kind of a coppery. It goes with everything that's upstairs. I was saying, Connie, if you missed it, that there isn't a stitch of gray in the house, not one stitch. It's all warm and colorful and more neutrals than anything. I'll show you, I'm gonna take you over and show you the stairs just leading upstairs, and maybe that will give you an idea. I don't know, let me see if I can turn it around. So these are the stairs going upstairs. So everything's warm, and then this is the transition. I'll turn around. So this is the transition from the stairs to the floor. And honestly, as I said, it actually doesn't look bad at all. It's just not what we chose. So comment below, what would you do? Would you have them delay everything, get everything right the first time? Well, that won't be the first time, it'll be like the second time. Would you make them change the floor color if this was your house? Or would you go with the floor that has been installed that still works with all the finishings? So anyway, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. And I'll tune in a little bit later with what we're deciding to do and what our steps are moving forward. So, you know, those are for the designers out there watching, because I know some of you watch my videos. The joys of project managing, right? Just fabulous, just fabulous. Anyway, I know in the end, it'll all work out. It always turns out for the best of my client. And if you know me and you followed me, you know I do not like to compromise. So you may guess what I would do if this was my house, but I'd love to know what you would do with yours, and I'll update you with what our clients decide. Have a great day, everyone. I'll channel this is why I do yoga, people. I just have to take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out, and know that it will work out, and we'll find the best solution for our clients. So anyway, take care, everyone.